Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to wear a headband wig. Alright, so I want to come on here today and I wanted to do a video for you guys on how to actually wear a headband wig and also how to kind of put it up and sort of style them as well. I did a live, which you can go back and replay and check out. I don't know if we can link it or not, but if we can, Stanley will put it right there for you. But I wanted to really just do a video for you guys because I know it's about to get warmer and we're all gonna be looking for those options to be able to wear our hair up but still have fabulous looking hair. So headband wigs are really amazing for that. And I wanted to just come on and show you guys exactly how to put one on and how I kind of style it in either a ponytail, a high pony, and also I'm gonna show you kind of like a messy bun style as well and what you need for that. So let's get into it. So a headband wig, usually synthetic, and then also instead of having a lace front or a hard front, it actually has an actual headband front attached to the front part of the wig that then wraps around, has adjustable Velcro. It's still going to have those clips that you're used to, the two here on the side, the one in the back, and then a lot of them will have an extra one here in the front too, really just so you can secure it down and really get it on really well. So that's what it is. So how does it actually work and how do you put this crazy contraption on? Because I know when I first looked at one of these, I was like, interesting. I'm curious to see how this is gonna go because I already do weird things when I put my wigs on. So I was just I was a little apprehensive, but I've got it figured out now. So the first thing that I recommend when wearing a headband wig is a wig grip of some type, wig grip, wig cap combo, or just a regular wig grip. These are really great for these kind of wigs because multiple reasons. One, you tend to be doing something a little bit more active for the most part when you're deciding to wear a headband wig. So you really want your wig to feel really nice and secure. And two, these really are great to get those hooks kind of anchored in so that the headband wig doesn't move and shift, because if you do style it in a high pony on top of your head or a like messy bun, you're adding weight up here, and if you don't have it nice and secure, it can slowly kind of start to slide off of your forehead. I've actually had that happen and it's a pain in the butt. It just like slowly will just kind of keep moving. So I highly recommend a wig cap, wig grip combo, or just a wig cap like this. It makes a huge difference. This also will have those adjustable straps on the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust it to my head size first before I do anything else. I have a small head, so I'm gonna go to the tightest setting on this. I really want this to be nice and snug and secure. That's really kind of the name of the game when wearing a headband wig, especially when you're going to be styling it. Now, I used to do this in a really weird way that, looking back on it, makes no sense, and I was making it harder for myself. Normally, when I would wear these, I would just keep this unstrapped, put it all on my head, have to flip the wig over, get the strap hooked, and then a fellow wig sister, genius, was like, why do you unstrap it? Just leave it hooked. That way you can just tighten it and it's already attached. And I was like, you're a genius. So now I leave this attached and I take this and I actually kind of hook this on my head first, sort of like those extra straps that some wigs that we have that are lace front come with, and it just kind of helps hold the wig there while I get everything situated. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this thing on exactly like that. I still hold it like I do when I'm installing any type of wig. The only difference is this headband obviously is gonna come down further on your forehead, because usually when you wear headbands you wouldn't have it like all the way back here. That's really the only difference as far as lining it up when you go to put these on. Okay, and then we're just gonna make sure we hook all of those hooks into that wig grip here. Something else that I kind of recommend too that I didn't mention is if you slide your wig grip back just a little bit further back on your hairline, especially if you have a small forehead, you're gonna want to make sure this isn't covering your eyebrows. So you're gonna want to put that wig grip back a little bit further. So now that I have that hooked in, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of pull this back until I feel like the headband is where I want it to be. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just feel back here and make sure that headband feels nice and tight. And if it doesn't, I can make it a little bit tighter now at this time, but it's actually really okay. And then I just take it, and the biggest thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna make sure it's covering the sides right here where you have the like almost like ear tab area, that really tends to be the spot that I will kind of see my wig grip or my actual hair if I don't line this up right. So I just want to pull this up and over there. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. This side actually looks like it's on a little bit better there. All right, so at this point, you can leave her just like this and be living your best wig life in whatever. It took me a minute to put it on. Or we can move on to the next step that I'm gonna show you, and that is kind of two different ways you can really style this wig and kind of why these wigs are so awesome. So the first one is gonna be just a high ponytail. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. I prefer to kind of use a scrunchie with these because they tend to be a little bit more hair, and when I use like a regular tiny hair tie, I don't get like the kind of volume and lift that I want from a high pony, whereas with like a scrunchie, I get the look that I'm going for. So with this, it's really actually crazy easy. I'm gonna flip my head upside down. I'm gonna do this and put it up, and then I'm gonna come back and talk about it because I don't wanna talk to you guys while I'm, you know, upside down. So give me 1 second. All right, so I'm back now. Once I feel like I have kind of the ponytail where I want it, I'll flip my head back up and then I'll put the hair tie in there. But I find that when if I don't flip my head upside down, it's kind of hard to get it as high as you want it to be, especially because like I said, the hair is heavier. So, and you don't want to like pull it off of your head either. And then another nice thing too about headband wigs is that they usually come with a kind of thicker, wider headband that you can put over top of that black. So, and they're usually a lot cuter. So like this is one that came with this headband. And then you can kind of, once you get your ponytail up, obviously this does not match at all because it's the only hair tie I could find. But once you get your ponytail up, you can take that cuter headband and you can put that on there and have it come up a little bit higher. And you're like good to go, you know, to the gym in your headband wig, or ride your bike, or do whatever fun activities you want to do in your wig, because now you have a nice updo and still have, you know, really cute, adorable hair. And these come in all different lengths and size and lengths and colors and styles and all of that stuff. So if you don't want something that this drastic and long, you can definitely go with shorter ones, because I've definitely seen companies that have medium and shorter length. So another thing you can do here, if you want to, is you can do a messy bun. So we're gonna leave it where we have the ponytail already. I'm gonna go ahead and take this hair. Whew. I'm gonna do some wrapping here. And this is gonna be a messy bun, so it's okay. It doesn't have to be like perfect. And I have my bobby pins here. These are nothing crazy, nothing fancy, just regular bobby pins. You probably have them in a drawer somewhere. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pin this girl down. And I just take my bobby pins and I just push them into that bun until I feel like it's nice and secure. You can also, if you want for like added security, if you're gonna be doing something a little bit more, you know, crazy, you can take a black hair tie and actually wrap it around here first before you start pinning the hair in, if you want to make sure it's like really nice and secure. But I feel like with the bobby pins, you get a better like messy look. All right, so like I said, here you go. This is my cute little updo messy bun situation. So this is a really cute kind of style that you can do too. And again, I'm ready to go do, maybe not yoga because my wig might fall off if I put my head upside down for too long, but I could definitely go ride a bike or go for a walk and feel good about myself and not be hot. So that's one of the really awesome benefits of these headband wigs. And also another added benefit is you can go crazy with your headbands. Amazon has tons of like awesome packages of lots of different ones. So you can match these kind of with your outfits and with the style for your day. So they're a really awesome alternative to lace front wigs and all those other wigs that you can't really put up high off of your neck. So definitely something that if you are into wigs and you are, you know, looking for something new or something to try, this is kind of a must-have. Like I said, Amazon has them. Also some other really, you know, great wig companies carry them as well. I'll list some down below that I really love and that I've tried that I think are really great. And also some of these other companies will give you more options as far as lengths and stuff. But Amazon's definitely a great place to kind of start, look and see what's out there. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I just really want to come on and just show you about these because I realize I've only ever done a live on it. So again, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.